Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is mensuration from 6th class NCERT. Here we are going to discuss about the introduction. Before going into know about the introduction, we have to know about the mensuration. What is a mensuration? It is a process of measurements. It is deals with perimeter. It means measurement of perimeters, areas, volumes, lengths, etc. So in that we are learning perimeter. So let's start. What is a perimeter? It is definition: the total distance is known as perimeter of a closed figure. See, if you take any type of figures like closed figures, it has some perimeter. So what is a perimeter means? If you start from here, let it be point A, you have to move and measure the all the boundary in that way. So this is total from point A to again come to the point A. It is called perimeter. This is a closed figure, right? And if you take a square or a rectangle, so A, B, C, D. Now you started from A and count it as 1 and count it as 2, and this is as 3 and this is as 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 we have to count. Whether 1 is equal to 3 centimeters, here 3 is also 3 centimeters, because of in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. These two are 2 centimeters. So let's see, 1 is means 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. It means 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 10 centimeter is total perimeter of this rectangle. So this is the perimeter. If in case if you take a triangle, that is also like this. Start from one point and count each and every side measurement, and total measurement is known as perimeter. So this is about the what is a perimeter definition. Now see the perimeter of a rectangle. Now take the rectangle like this. Now these vertices I am naming as P, Q, R, S. Now see, this is the length and this is the width. Okay, here also we have width and this is the length. Now how perimeter of a rectangle we have to measure? See, in any perimeter we are counting each and every side of the given closed figure. So right, so here PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS, it means SP also. Now PQ is W plus QR, that is L, plus RS, it is also W, plus PS, that is also L. Now here see 2W plus 2L. So we can write it as perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus B or W also. See, this is the length of the side of a rectangle and this is the width of side of a rectangle. So we know that in a rectangle we have opposite sides equal in length. So similarly this also, by that we are getting this formula. By using this formula we can get any question answers easily. So next, third one is perimeter of a regular shapes. We know that regular shapes means square, triangle and regular hexagon. It means A, B, C, D. All sides equal in length. Here also P, Q, R, and this is H, I, J, K, L, M. So this is a square, this is triangle, and this is regular hexagon. So see, in these three cases we have only one each side. It means length of each side is equal. If you take this square, if in case this AB side is 4 centimeters, all sides are get 4 centimeters. Here also PR is equal to 3 centimeters, then RQ and QP respectively, those two are also equal to 3 centimeters. Here if you take hexagon, that is also regular hexagon, if side is 5 centimeters, all sides we are taking as a 5 centimeters. So here length of each side is equal. In these three cases it is square, rectangle, that is triangle, that is also equilateral triangle. Okay, now regular hexagon. Now what is the formula? Perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Next, perimeter of a equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of a side. Why it is using 3? It means it has 3 sides. That's why. And finally, perimeter of a regular hexagon is equal to, hexagon we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So 6 into length of a side. So this is the what is a perimeter and what is a perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a regular shapes. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.